you got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
Making yours jiggle and girls giggle. It's DJ Rusty Balls.
What you got running here?
Running on a salt drill keg.
Yeah, just one amp, one big amp.
Yep, one drill keg. I'm for down one 12 keg. Supposed to be on two. Running on 400 and a 250 ohm.
Yes, sir. Are you on Facebook anywhere they can follow you?
Yeah, look at me up on Facebook. Dirty DBs on Facebook.
Okay. Okay, that's you. Yep. Okay. I sure appreciate it. Good thing, brother.
Me and a little red car over here. We got a 24 inch.
Oh, they demo? Okay, I'm gonna go over there.
Where'd Jamie go?
Okay, I did earlier than it. Are you good enough?
Right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.